Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your language on Free Fire's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Free Fire, firstly go ahead and launch open your Free Fire application. The home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Free Fire's account. Tap on language. From the pop-up, choose the language that you prefer and tap on OK. This is how you can change language on Free Fire's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.